Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Lock Support Update. This is a video series I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a great place for me to update the community on anything that I have been working on. And it also serves as a really great place for the community to update everyone on what they have been working on. As always, if you have anything at all that you'd like to see shared next week, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share it. This week's video is starting on a Sunday because I'm off to a little bit of a late start. So in today's video, I'm just going to mostly focus on my channel and some of the updates and some of the things that I've been going through. If you've had the time to pay attention over the last week, my channel's had a lot of weird things happen to it, and this is the first video I'm actually posting since it has gotten resolved. So when I was at my clinical on Tuesday earlier this week, when I was on break, I was checking my phone and I just realized something must have gone wrong. I was trying to log into my YouTube channel account, and what happened was it was asking me to make a new account. Then I tried on a computer, tried restarting my phone, and everything just seemed wrong. Then I went to search for one of my videos, and then everything on my channel was completely deleted. I had no idea what was going on and what could have possibly caused this, because I have always been a channel that has always tried to follow the rules, be a great community supporter, and only really promote positivity, and I've never done anything that I would consider against the terms of service. So when I checked my email, I found an email that was very vague, saying that my channel has either had a very severe breach of service by doing something like making an inappropriate video or doing something specifically against their terms of service, and they weren't very specific on what I could have done. It was just a very generic, blatant statement, but that warranted them to just completely remove my channel out of YouTube altogether.
Hey guys, I am just gonna make this little quick video to tell you that HelpfulLockPicker's channel have been removed from YouTube, which is quite sad. I have talked to him and he's trying to contact YouTube to find out why and if there is any way he can get his channel back, but at the moment he don't know what to do or what will happen. I think it's quite sad we have lost one of the best channels, one of the big ones as well, but at least what I think of HelpfulLockPicker's channel is that it's one of the places where we all meet and many watch his videos. Unlike some of the smaller channels like my own, I know that not many watch mine compared to what number is watching HelpfulLockPickers, and he's just a great help to everybody. He's giving many shout outs, updates, his beginner series. I don't believe we can actually afford to lose his channel.
And if I wanted to get my channel back, which I did because I really enjoy making this content and being part of the community, I needed to send in an appeal process. In order to do that, I needed to send in a 1,000 character appeal, and then I had to fill in some of the generic blocks just identifying myself. But throughout that time period, my channel was not generating any views, and it was pretty much non-existent. So when I submitted my appeal, in about 24 hours or so, I did get my channel back, and I'm very happy to say that I'm here and I'm making this video.
Hey guys, I am not at home at the moment, but I just have to share this with you. HelpfulLockPicker's channel is back up, and we don't really know why it was taken down, but it is back. So all good on that front. And well, if we get anything to know from HelpfulLockPicker, I guess he will let us know. So yeah, everything is fine again. See ya.
But a couple of the frustrating things that came from this is the fact that, one, I still have not been given a clear answer as to why. I was very clear in my appeal that if I were in violation, I'd really like to be within compliance, but I'd like to kind of know what I did. And the answer I got back is the answer that I posted on Reddit, which is just very generic. It just pretty much says that my channel was within compliance and they didn't find anything and they were able to reinstate my channel. So I take that as everything that I've done so far has been okay and by the book, and I'm just going to keep doing my channel the way I have. But a few of the frustrating things is this has had a negative impact on my channel, and I'd say a very significant negative impact. A lot of my older videos I have made have had a really great impact on the community, and they've had a really great reach out to the community and anyone looking to get into lock sport. I have several ranked videos which get a lot of great views. One of my most notable one is close up on how lockpicking works. This video is a really great video because it's very short and succinct and goes over all the basics of lock sport in just one video. And since I have been out of YouTube for a day or so, it seems like all of my videos that have always gotten great viewership and have gotten a lot of great comments and really helped drive people to the community have stopped being recommended by YouTube. The only guess I can have is the fact that they weren't getting views for a day or so, and that must have kicked it out of the algorithm. But since I've gotten back, my channel has taken a very significant hit on its viewership. I hope that it will recover, but it is significant. I am down to maybe about 15 or 20% of where I was a few days ago before all of this occurred. My channel is only back since this Thursday, and I'm really hoping to see my channel be able to rebound from this and get back. I was so excited to see my channel grow every day, see all of my views grow every day, and just being a great member of the community. And it's just really upsetting to see this really big block in the road to prevent my channel from growing. I really do hope to see it recover. But I just want to say thank you to everyone that showed all of your great community support. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I was in a really tough position there, just having my channel completely taken away from me out of nowhere and without any warning at all. It was just really sad to see all of my hard work over the last 3 years just go away just like that. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that was willing to help support me and just trying to do whatever it would take to get my channel back. And I just want to say thank you. But either way, I am back. I am ready to make more content, and I'm sorry that I did not get this video out on Saturday. I just had a lot of busy stuff going on, and I just really wasn't able to plan ahead for this video because of the fact that my channel was taken down. But either way, guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone that showed your support, that has always been a great supporter of my channel. And I just want to say that my channel is here to stay, and I just want to really keep it going. And I'm really looking forward to hopefully seeing my channel being able to heal from this insult that has been done to it. It is really just not in a good spot right now, but I'm really hoping that it will heal over time. But either way, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking this out. If you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, as always, please drop that in the comments section below. And I'm going to continue making my 2 videos a week, and my next one will be this Wednesday. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. And I'm taking this as a positive that YouTube does support lock sport as a whole, and I take that as just a really good finding. But either way, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.